previous video, I showed you how to make this kind of 3D silicone heat-transfer label, but it's a short video. I will make a long video for you guys. Three modes, 2 workers, and 4 needles dispensing at the same time. After cooling, it just removes labels out of the mold. And next, you need to remove the wasted material. Here is the wasted material, and you get this one. And the next step is change the side, and you get finished product. Let me know if you have any questions, and you can calculate the productivity with this speed. This is the main equipment: silicone label, forming machine, dispensing machine, cooling table, and a table. See, this is how we set up the production line and the work for the massive orders.